we'll guide you through how to add a title in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Go to the Edit page by clicking the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. On the left side, you'll see the Effects library in the upper left corner. If it's not open, just click on it to expand. In the Effects library, look for Titles under the Toolbox section. Click on Titles to see a list of various title presets like Text, Text Plus, Scroll, and others. For a simple title, you can drag the text option directly onto the timeline above your video clip. This will create a new text track. If you want something more dynamic, use Text Plus, which offers more advanced features and customization. Once you've placed the text on the timeline, you can adjust its position and duration by dragging the edges of the text clip. To edit the content and style of your title, select the text clip on the timeline and go to the Inspector panel on the right side of the screen. Here, you can type your text, change the font, size, color, and even add shadows or outlines for better visibility. You can also animate your text by adjusting the keyframes in the Settings or Video tabs. Play around with these features to get the exact look you're after. Once you're satisfied with your title, make sure to save your project. Using titles effectively can really enhance the storytelling aspect of your video, so feel free to experiment with different styles and animations. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.